Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Mylene at Mylene's Nails. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Leonie's Nail Art. Today's theme was florals. Now I've gotten started already with Nailtique's Formula 2, and here is Color Club, and this is Beg, Borrow, and Steal. It's so little you can't hardly see it. Beautiful silver hollow. Love it. Yes, yes. Here we go with our first coat of Beg, Borrow, and Steal. Getting a little messy there, giving Woody some work to do. But it's all good. I just wish these had the fatter brushes. These are pretty old. I think they've changed the brushes since I got these. Hi, Woody. How you doing? All right. So there we go with one coat. We're going to go ahead and do a second coat. It was pretty opaque. I think it would have worked for what I'm doing today, but I'm a two-coat girl, typically, normally. So we're going to go ahead and do the second coat. And get Woody back out here because I made another mess. All right, we're going to top this with I&M Out the Door, my in-between top coat. We're going to get this to dry down because we got some serious playing to go on today. And I did wear this just like this to work one day. But it won't be, I won't break it up for y'all. It's going to be one solid straight through video. Woody back again. Busy. Alright, so here's a swatch photo of that on its own. Stunning. And I'm going to top it with Anchor and Heart Sea Glass Fairy Slipper. It's a matte top coat that I love. I really do love this one. But what I'm doing today, I'm going to need that matte top coat. There it is, mattified. Still stunning. I'll be using my Red Iguana inks. We've got blue, green, and these are marble inks. And then orange, and violet, and ruby, and pink. Love these things. But I'm going to use some Protect Me by Adored Colors, my liquid latex. I'm going to go around the edge real careful and very close because I don't know how messy I'm going to get with these inks here. And I figured it could be, quite messy. So we're going to just go ahead and take the time to do this step here. Alright, so here we go. You can see I've already gotten started. I scraped the brushes off really well on the neck of the bottle so that I'm not just totally flooding. Because on my thumb I got very flooded with the blue and it was quite a mess. So here we go with, we're just going to dab in these colors and I'm going to go back over them a little bit on some of them and see what we can do. And I know you're thinking, Tina, how is this florals? What's going on here? I'm going to stamp the floral design over this after I get, my base done. And you can see those marble inks just kind of roll and flow into each other. And, well, if the camera would act right, there we go. And they kind of layer over top of each other and make other colors. And it's just so much fun. It's almost like the blooming gels, almost, the way they kind of spread and roll into each other. I love it. I was so excited about playing with these today because it's been a while. And I always say, oh, I want to do more of that. I want to go back and do more of this and that. And you guys, there's just so much, so many techniques, so many products, so much cool stuff, and just not enough time. If y'all could get me some more time, let me know about it. Can you buy some of that on Amazon? Because I would love to have more time. More time to play, more manis. So I'm going back over one that's dry and just kind of dabbing in some mores. Looking pretty good so far. I had to get one from across the desk. It's hiding out over on the other side. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm going to remove my liquid latex here. My latex barrier. It's not really liquid anymore. And there we go. No cleanup needed, except for this. I got one little piece of latex stuck. There we go. Yay, good save with the tweezers. All right. Yeah, the thumb looks a little rough. Let's see if I can dab it up a little bit more. But the thumb don't make it into the photo, so I wasn't too worried about it. I know that sounds awful, but it's the truth. And it's okay. Because, I mean, it's still the same. It's just a lot more blue than the rest of them. But we'll work with it. We'll make it happen. And before I forget, this is an Instagram collab, so there should be a hashtag down below if you'd like to go see the other floral manicures that were done for our friend over at Mylene's Nails. So I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. I didn't know if this would smudge or not. I haven't played with alcohol inks enough. Beauty Big Bang 09 is the stamping plate. Got a Maniology scraper and stamper. And I'll be using Twinkle Tea black stamping polish. Y'all, I forgot to clean up or do anything around my cuticles. And let me tell you, I did my thumb. And what a mess. So before I did these next ones I'm fixing to do, I did smear on some like Burt's Bees cuticle butter around my nails so the cleanup won't be as bad. And I'm going to use that image on most of the nails. My ring and thumbnail are a different image, but this like whole flower image is going on most of the nails. Well, more than half the nails, let's put it that way. 3 of them. Just break it down, Tina. So get the scrapey scrape going on and trying to get my stamper set and ready. And here we go. I'm going to use a little piece of tape to remove some of that excess that I don't want on my skin. And then apply that to the nail. There we go. Looking good so far. Okay, here's the accent nail image. This is going on my ring fingernail. Give it a couple of scrapes. Make sure it's good and scraped. I try to do the one scrape, but honestly, I fail at that so often. It's okay, though. Do what you gotta do. And then back to the full image of the one flower, the single flower. They're all full images. I don't know what I'm talking about here. It's okay, though. Alright, get some of that mess cleaned up quite quickly. Because I'm not using a sticky stamping polish, so I want to make sure I'm on it. Alright, I'm going to clean up my stamping plate with some acetone real quick. Back of it looks pretty good. And then now to clean up the stampy mat and the mat underneath, because I've done made a mess everywhere. Ooh, squish. Look at that. Ooh. Alright, clean that mess up. Get that mess out of here. Alright, so I am going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of the excess up off my skin around my nails. And since I did stop to do the, Burt's Bees trick, it's not being as much of a problem as it was on my thumb. Look, my thumb's still covered in black polish. It's going to be there for a minute. Few hand washings should take care of it. And now I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do my tight detail cleanup here around this nail. And I do dip down in the acetone and then kind of tap my brush off on the paper towel. That way I'm not flooding it. I got some sticking there real good. I think it's just because it's really dry skin there. Alright, there we go. I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. Oh, they look so pretty. I'm loving this. And once that's dry, I'm going to go in with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls as my final top coat. There we go. Oh, I love it. So much fun. Worked out just like I wanted it to. Get the cap back free edge real quick. And there you have it. Here is my manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.